Alright, so welcome back to another video. In this video, gonna work on with Zoom's API, which is probably something that we all heard of now. So, good job to Zoom. So Zoom, in case you haven't heard of it, it's basically a video streaming website and software that you can download. It's commonly used right now. Okay, so most common one is Zoom and Google Meet. This Google Meet APIs are kind of hard to set up since it doesn't even have a direct API with Google Meet, and Google's API usually is a little bit harder to set up. So we're just going to implement the Zoom's API. So the ability is that the employer can just create a Zoom meeting, Zoom interview via our interface. They don't have to remotely go to zoom.com and zoom.us to register or to create a new meeting. So I think what we're going to start with is create OAuth app. I'm going to leave this link in the description down below as well in case you want to check it out. So this is going to be called JobFinder. Alright, and it's going to be, now I publish it, it's going to be account level app. Alright, let's see. Redirect URL for OAuth. 0.0.0.1 slash I don't know slash Zoom slash callback. Alright, continue. For description, no description. Create meeting automatically. And I'm just gonna say DevWithMe. Let me leave my email here. Links are optional. Let's just go continue. Event. I don't think so. We'll add that. Scope. Meeting. We will go ahead and view and manage our users' meeting. So that's pretty much all I have to do. What's features? Oh, never mind. Alright, we'll go ahead and do this. So I also need to look at the documentation for Zooms. Okay, so I gotta open up a new page. Never mind, we're not gonna use this. So a library or something. Okay, let's see. Zoom web portal, stuff. Meeting, how do I create a new meeting? Create a meeting. Actually, I need to take a look at OAuth first. Like stuff is gonna send us. Introduction. OAuth. Okay, let's take a look at this OAuth documentation. Okay. Let's see. All right. Okay, here's the important part. I'm gonna go here. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this. Oh, never mind. Oh, shoot. You know what? I'm gonna use my school account. My school has a limited minute anyway. Alright. Oh, God. Do you have to do this to me? Okay, you know what? We'll do the two-factor authentication then. Okay, sign out. Sign in again. Oh, God. Why do you have to do this all the time? Okay, sorry. I think I'm gonna struggle here a little bit. Document.cookie equals to this. Hate this so much. You know, reprompt me the screen and I cannot log in. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, you know what? I will open up another incognito window. Oh, why do you have to do this? Okay, we're gonna quit incognito then. And then gonna open up a new incognito window. Okay. Also need to go to the admin really quick because to get this set up. Delete this. Alright. Okay. Let me sign with Google. Try that again. Sorry about that. Alright. Alright. Well, I don't know why I cut this part out, to be honest. Okay, well, I already shared it with you guys. I guess I will remove that part. Okay. Alright, so we got this. Okay, nice. So now what we're gonna do is I suppose it's gonna create a new route in the dashboard views. So in here it say Zoom callback. Right? Codes is gonna be request against code What else are we gonna have? What else? All right. Let's take a look how to get an access token. All right, so we're gonna okay. So in here, we're gonna say import requests then, and in here, we're gonna say data equals to request.post. Let's see, header. Let's say grant type equals to authorization code. Redirect URI. All right. This is all requests. Oh, it should go something like that. Oh, okay. Okay. I got it now. Okay. See, so let's f string this. It's gonna be code 0.0.1 colon 8000 slash zoom slash callback. Alright. And the header, it's gonna be this. Okay. And I do need client ID and colon client secret. Okay, I need to be base64 encoded. No, I don't want to read this. Alright, let's copy this. Here's a base64 encode. Alright, and we'll return. Alright. Okay. I suppose saying here I can just say f base 64 encode. So it's going to be client ID colon you know what, never mind. Give me about terminated string. Oh, we're gonna try something different then. Okay. Okay, GPS API, assume that does. Okay. Alright, so then here you're gonna say request.session bracket zoom access token equals to data bracket access token. Alright. Okay, let's take a look at meeting then. How can I create a new meeting if we have this set up? And I think the only place where we're gonna need it is gonna be /employer /schedule interview. And then I also need a code here. So okay. Okay, we're gonna redirect into schedule interview. We're gonna think about coming display on the front end. Let me also take a look at the API that's gonna get used. Where's the API? Meeting. Yep, there we go. Create a meeting. Alright, so I think what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna get everything. I'm just gonna get everything like working, so we can indeed create a meeting. But how we display on front end, I think I will try to work that on my own. So that's a little bit not necessary, but I will explain the code written briefly in the next video. So let's just get the ability to create a meeting. User ID. Okay. Well, I mean, I kinda. Let's see if the OAuth works. Let's see, gonna say beer. Oh my god. That's hella long. Alright, here gonna set data bracket. Access token, no. Apologize for that. Okay. Let's see if it works. JSON. Make sure all of them are JSONified. Alright, let's proceed by adding the Zoom callback to our URLs. So in here, we're gonna say pass Zoom callback. Views the Zoom callback. Okay, 1 second. Let's see. Didn't get updated. Alright, we gotta re-authenticate then. Okay. Okay, I think now I know why. Place this part by this. Single quotes. Okay. Invalid exit token does not contain whatever. Okay, looks it works because it does have the access token, does have everything, so it works. Let's see if I can create. So to create, we're gonna have this required okay, let's see if we can just generate some code from Python. Yep. User ID. How can I set that? Okay, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We are just gonna send a thing then. So let's say what we're gonna do is gonna send something here and gonna replace this with me. Authorization is gonna be that. Does it work? Will it work? Let's just try it out. Okay, let me just copy this link again. Once I got this create meeting works, I will stop that video here. Let's print out that text is also okay. Request body should have a valid JSON. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I hate work with data like this. So let's just copy it, right? Payload data equals to this. I cannot f-string it. How can I even format this thing? I cannot even f-string it. No, it has to be valid JSON. That means I cannot f-string it. I think it's gonna work. The only issue is how can we change it? How can we add our own data in here? I'm gonna think about that. How can we do that? Alright, let's see. Unsupported content type. Let's be sure to set this up as well. Ooh, I think we might be able to do something like this. JSON.dumps. We might able to do something like JSON.dumps. That maybe is how we're gonna make it works. Let's try that out. Let me copy the entire thing. All right, and then I'm gonna try something called JSON dumps. I think that's a way that you can programmatically format JSON data in readable form. The dumps. Let's see would it work. Let's see would it work. Let's go ahead and copy this last link again. All right, let's take a look how to work. I might end the video in a couple minutes now. Is it the dumps or the dump? Right, okay. I would take a look how can we use the JSON.dumps to make everything work. But maybe until then we have to use something like that. He also redirect to HTTPS. Hard for local development. Wait, what? This is a valid JSON. What do you mean it's not valid JSON or something? Okay. A request body should be a valid JSON object. And this is not valid JSON because I copied it from your own website. Okay, I think I will try to figure it out on my own time. But okay, well, let's try update this a little bit because I really want to get this to work. Okay, now I should be able to get the user ID or something. What's user ID? Right, we could do that. We could use that. Okay. So also print out this access token then. Taking much longer than I thought. I don't know why you don't call this a valid JSON, unless you have to change everything. Unless you have to change everything, which I might try that since that's gonna take a while. But let's see. So setting, okay. User ID gonna be me. This access token gonna be this. Okay. Sending. I have no clue why this is not working. It didn't even return a response. Why doesn't it return a response? Yeah, I said this is also. I don't know why this happens. I think I'll have to do some manual debug on my end because I don't know why this happens. That's so weird. Oh well, I guess I will tell you guys what's the error is in the next video. Sorry for keeping you guys hanging here, but thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to comment down below. I will link all the Zoom documentation description down below as well. But Happy New Year, stay safe, and have a nice day. DevWithMe, out.